most people ask the question, how does AI help my sales organization? He asked the question, how does AI do my selling? And what do we need people for? So the most important thing is to start recognizing that AI needs to be a tool for transformation. And therefore, you should be judging its success on whether you're transforming real business outcomes. The next thing is you're only going to get it done if you work interdependently across functions. So technology doesn't lead it, the business doesn't lead it, HR certainly doesn't lead it, but they all lead it. So the leaders of AI are going to be those who can Sherpa a group of people up a hill using this new tool, which very quickly is going to become more of a teammate. So pretty quickly, AI is going to get smart enough to not just be a tool, but a teammate. And then the question is, and how do humans augment that to make it better and make it work? What I can tell you is that he's building a much more efficient organization that's getting better leverage and use out of the tools. It is absolutely doing what you're saying, which is it is engineering the human element and being very clear. I need people for this, for sure. But he's coming at it from the perspective of AI can do everything until it can't. Whereas most of us look at the question of humans can do everything. How does AI help?